Procrastination. We've all been there. Whether it's putting off a work assignment, a personal project, or even a simple task like doing the laundry, procrastination can make us feel stuck and unmotivated. But the good news is, there are ways to overcome it. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you beat procrastination once and for all. One of the main reasons we procrastinate is because we feel overwhelmed by the task at hand. To combat this, try breaking the task down into smaller, more manageable chunks. For example, if you have a big report due at work, break it down into sections that you can tackle one at a time. This can help make the task feel less daunting and more achievable. Another common reason for procrastination is distraction like this. In today's world, distractions are everywhere, from social media notifications to email alerts. To overcome this, try eliminating as many distractions as possible. This could mean turning off your phone or installing an app that blocks certain websites during work hours. By removing distractions, you can focus on the task at hand and get it done more efficiently. Taking breaks may seem counterintuitive when it comes to overcoming procrastination, but it's actually an important part of the process. When we work for long periods of time without a break, we can become fatigued and lose motivation. By taking short breaks, we can recharge our batteries and come back to the task with renewed energy and focus. One of the biggest obstacles to getting started on a task is the fear of failure. To overcome this, try starting with a small, manageable step. For example, if you are trying to write a novel, start by writing just one paragraph. This can help build momentum and make the task feel less intimidating. Finally, it's important to reward yourself for a job well done. When we accomplish something, it's natural to want to celebrate and acknowledge our hard work. Whether it's treating yourself to a nice dinner or taking a day off, make sure to reward yourself for your efforts. This can help build positive associations with the task and make it more enjoyable in the future. So, there you have it. 5 tips to help you overcome procrastination. By breaking tasks down, eliminating distractions, taking breaks, starting small, and rewarding yourself, you can beat procrastination and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching and good luck.